Welcome to our basic Excel course on sorting and filtering data. In this video, we will be covering how to effectively organize and analyze your data using Excel's built-in sorting and filtering tools. First, let's start with sorting. To sort a range of data in Excel, first select the cells you want to sort. Next, go to the Data tab and click on Sort. In the Sort dialog box, you can choose to sort by any of the columns in your data range, and you can also choose to sort in ascending or descending order. If you want to sort by multiple columns, you can do so by selecting Add Level in the Sort dialog box and choosing another column to sort by. Next, let's talk about filtering. Filtering allows you to narrow down a large amount of data to only show the information that is relevant to you. To filter your data, go to the Data tab and click on Filter. Once you have applied a filter, you can choose specific criteria to show only the data that meets those criteria. For example, you can filter a column of data to only show rows where the value in that column is greater than a certain number. You can also filter by multiple criteria at once, using the and, or options. Excel also has advanced filtering options, such as filtering by color, icon, or by using a custom filter. Additionally, you can also sort and filter by pivot table and pivot chart, which is a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization. That's it for this video on sorting and filtering data in Excel. Now that you know how to use these tools, you can easily organize and analyze your data to gain valuable insights. Thanks for watching.